mula sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa ang nagwagi ng mga gintong medalya sa World International Mathematical Olympiad na ginanap po sa Bangkok, Thailand last month. Alam nyo bang napaka-prestigious nito, which kasi ang tawag nga nila dito ay Battle of the Gold dahil only gold awardees from the finals are eligible para dito. Kaya ito, meron tayong mga bisita na lumahok dyan sa WIMO na yan.
Ay, ito pa, Pia ha, matinik talaga. Makakasama natin ngayong umaga ay best of the best naman talagang may tuturing. Hands down talaga ako dito, hindi ko kaya. Sila lang naman ang nakakuha ng pinakamataas na scores in the respective grade levels, P.
Grabe! Kaya let's all welcome our Mathematics Olympians. Kasama po natin si Alexandra Gochian, si Harvey Dolar, at si Mateo Esposha. Congratulations, guys! Ito si Mateo, bata-bata pa, Okay, congratulations to the three of you. Ang alam ko, you guys talaga, maaga pa lamang, mahilig na kayo sa math. Diba? Alam ko for si Alex, si Alexandra, ilan taon ka nga ba, Alexandra, when you started competing?
I was around 6.
6 years old.
Grade 1? 6 years old?
Prep 2.
Oh, prep 2.
What interested you in math at such an early age?
Actually, I wasn't interested in math at first. I was very easy to pick up the topics. So I just absorbed information very quickly. But I think what really reeled me in math is like its elegance and its solutions. So everything just fits together perfectly. And I think that's what makes math beautiful.
Oo, nabasa ko nga na si Alexandra, ang tanging goal lang niya talaga, mailagay yung faces sa mga tarpaulins in school. And that's why she started competing. But then since then, your goals have changed, right?
My goals have changed. I think now my goal is more of course, aside from my personal goals of becoming better at math, I think another goal of mine is to also empower women to continue in these STEM courses, not just math in general, more of STEM, because I think there's a lot of factors that discourage them to do so. So I think it's very important to continue doing what I'm doing, which is like to represent them and to empower them.
Lopsided ba, Alexandra? Are there more practitioners na lalaki kaysa babae?
From what I've noticed, growing up, there was a lot of females when I started out. But like as you grow up and you go on in the math competitions, there become fewer and fewer. So I think the difference is really noticeable.
Yes,
Wow.
okay.
O iba ang feeling talaga. Let's ask Harvey. Harvey, how does it feel competing sa ibang bansa and nire-represent mo ang ating bansa para sa pakikipag-compete niyo sa mga ganyang competition?
Well, representing my country po, there's a sense of pride within po na you can show the other countries na Philippines not just stereotype na overseas workers. You can be good in mathematics also, in academics, in STEM.
How about
Si Mateo naman, ang sabi niya, marami daw kasi siyang nalo-learn na experiences competing.
Wow.
Ano ba yung mga important na natutunan mo competing internationally in Hong Kong, all over the world, di ba? Ngayon, Bangkok.
The experiences that I've learned are take your time with the questions, prepare a lot. Essentially for these international competitions, there is lots of pressure sometimes.
I'm sure there's a lot of pressure. What does it feel like being there in the moment, tapos competing against the best of the best in the world? How do you calm yourself down, ikaw, Mateo? You're so young pa naman.
I just try to think that I'm just practicing.
Practicing.
And that there's no one else.
in the room with you.
I competed online, which means I didn't go to Bangkok. I just sat on my computer.
Oo.
I just answered the questions there.
Nagulat ka ba dun sa mga lumabas na mga questions, or you were totally prepared for all of it?
The questions were, for me, relatively easy.
Easy?
They're like...
The questions are easy for him.
Sinisiw!
Parang...
Hindi ka man lang na challenge no? Ganon.
There was like...
Pero dahil sa paghahanda mo yan, di ba, Mateo?
Yeah, I started joining the World International Math Olympiad since grade 4,
Yes.
Grade 4.
2020.
Mm-mm.
It was also online. And I
And now
ca-
you're grade 6.
Yes.
6.
2 years you've been competing. But how do you guys prepare for this exactly? Is it an everyday thing? You have a tutor that prepares you? Alexandra.
Personally, what I do to prepare, it's just a lot of practice. So you look up. I use AOPS, Art of Problem Solving. So they have a lot of practice problems there. You always have to run through them every day. It's more of like a habit that you form. So it's not like near the competition you cram the practice. It's more of like something you have to do every day to get better. That's for me.
Oh, practice and training,
Yes.
di ba? As what they say, practice makes perfect. Let's ask Harvey. Harvey, do you think many people disregard mathematics because they're not good at it? But do you think mathematics is important in our everyday lives? Is it important, do you think?
Yeah, it's important, sir. Because, for example, the prices of
Diretso yun.
the prices of the supermarket, the allowance, gives us our status po na we can repay the amount of work we have done. We can get exchange into money. Then that in money, there's math in it. And you can exchange it for goods like sibuyas, like that po.
Labas niya talaga yung
Important.
sibuyas. Ano?
So we
Diba?
can,
Lahat naman ng
pwede
bagay
makita natin
binibili
nung
with
gano'n
money.
kamahal yung mga price, nung price ng mga sibuyas, gano'n na overprice sila ngayon.
Oo,
Yeah.
okay, Harvey, wala akong problema dyan. When it comes to marketing, of
Correct.
course, we know
Yeah,
that
important
we need math for it.
Yes.
Pero
Yeah.
itong mga nakikita kong equations in front of me, how do you make a practical application for these? Ito
Yeah.
ba ay similar to the questions that you guys encountered during the
Yes.
WIMO?
Those are like secondary questions.
So it
Like high school.
high school.
Yeah, they're high
So
school
this is for Alexandra
For the both of us.
and for Harvey.
Okay.
Okay. Can you please read this? I don't even know how to read this.
These are for high school
Find the
students.
value of, I've never seen this symbol in my life.
Yes, summation. You add
Summation of,
K
When
is
K
greater
is
than or equal to 3.
Okay.
Then
okay. Sige nga kayo.
Uh,
Alam ko lang, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
K over 1. K minus 1 all over K factorial.
K factorial.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not K, it's K factorial.
K factorial.
Akala ko nga excited yung isang K.
Kasi may explanation.
Hey! So how do you solve this? At saka paano to ina-apply sa buhay?
Yeah.
Anong mga practical applications
Practical
ng something like this?
applications,
Ano ba to? Algebra or
Not really.
what is it?
Elementary algebra.
I think
Definitely
it's
not
algebra.
elementary.
You think it's algebra?
Yeah, I think it
It's
counts. It
algebra.
counts as algebra.
Yeah. What is the practical application of algebra?
I don't think it's really like the direct application. I think it's more of the thinking, the analysis of it. So it's not just about like, of course you won't see this in your everyday life. You won't see this in the
Exactly.
supermarket. You know?
Yes.
But I think it's in how you dissect the problem and the thinking that you develop.
Parang it's the mind
Yes.
process, di ba?
Yes.
So how do you fix this, Alexandra? Can you please
That's the
help
question.
me?
Harvey.
Sige nga, Harvey.
Ito, marker
Eto,
po.
meron
Sige.
tayong mga markers dito. Oh, mga kada, watch and learn.
Okay, nasira. Oh, we have another marker here.
You marker.
Okay. Use the other one.
Okay. So,
Sige, pakita mo, Harvey.
so they have
Makikinig
K
kami.
minus 1 and K factorial. You can separate it into 2. So that's K factorial, then minus 1 over K factorial. Then, K factorial can be expressed as K minus 1. Yan, factorial. Then, with this, you can go K over K minus 1 factorial minus 1 over K factorial. There. Then you can cancel out K, and you'll have 1. So it's 1 over K minus 1 factorial minus 1 over K factorial. Then, since it is equal or greater than or equal to 3, you can substitute 3 here. So it's 1 over 3 minus 1 factorial minus 1 over
K factorial.
3 factorial.
Okay.
There. And you'll get here. Then it's continuous. Space.
You have more, you need more
Yeah, I need
space.
more space.
Ayan.
Here. Grabe naman pala eh.
So,
Masab muna ako sa akin.
so you have
So, sino
1
mag-check
over
nito?
2
Si Raquel.
minus 1
Ikaw mag-check nito,
over
Raquel.
3.
3.
Then, plus, you can continue it, and
Where's the factorial?
1 over 3 plus, minus, that's minus. That's minus, substitute 4 on this, 4 factorial, then
Tama ba, Alexandra?
1 factorial,
Yes, factorial.
then 1 over 4 factorial, then dot, that's...
Wait, that.
Yeah, that's it. That's on into this going to infinity.
Continuous. Ganun,
That's 1
infinity.
over infinity. So we know that 1 over infinity, 1 over a big number is equal to 0. And since this minus and this plus, you can just cancel out and continuous.
Everything
And you will be left
passes.
with 1 over 2.
1 over 2.
So the answer is 1 over 2.
The answer is 1 over 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Correct. The answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Because the computation is also correct.
What? The answer is correct because sabi ni Harvey, it's correct.
Correct. Okay.
And we believe you. Dahil sila ang mga gold medalists ng WIMO, kukontra pa ba tayo?
Wala akong masasabi rito.
So, anong plano ninyo? After this big win, are you gonna keep competing? Are you
Correct.
gonna... Is there a tournament? Is there a math Olympiad higher than this that you wanna be in? Ikaw, Mateo. Parang marami ka ng plano sa buhay.
Yeah, I would definitely keep competing
Yeah.
and trying to prepare for this contest for high school students. I'm almost high school, called the PMO Philippine Mathematical Olympiad.
When you guys are not studying and practicing, what other interests do you guys have? Ano pa yung mga
Aside from this, joining this competition.
ano pa yung mga trip niyong gawin? Para naman malaman ng mga
Hobbies.
kada natin, they're just like me also. Mas mahilig lang talaga sila sa math. Alexandra, you have any other hobbies or interests?
Pastime.
Aside from math, I also solve the Rubik's Cube for fun. Or crochet or code.
Oh, or
Coding.
And
coding! Wow! What is it that you want to be in the future? Have you thought about it? Ikaw na kasi yung pinaka-senior dito eh.
In the future, I don't have like a specific goal yet, but I used to want to be an astrophysicist actually, because one of my idols was Reina Reyes. But now I plan on taking computer science.
Computer science. That's good. How about you, Mateo?
Yeah, I also saw the Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube.
I also play the piano.
Piano.
Nice. Very good. Si
Harvey.
Harvey.
Aside from math, I also do cycling. Hindi ko lang pa-enhance mind ko, pati yung body ko rin.
Okay.
Physically din.
Oo, tama naman. Dapat may pagka-sporty
Yes,
rin
po.
tayo, di ba?
Galing! Galing itong mga batang to!
Ang huhusay
Ano,
nila, Pia.
i-discuss pa ba natin ito? Mamaya na lang off-cam. Kasi
Oo
hindi
nga.
rin natin maintindihan eh.
Oo nga, ano lang, continuity lang naintindihan ko sa sinabi ni Harvey.
Basta na-demonstrate na ni Harvey how it's
Correct.
done. Meron ba kayong mga gustong pasalamatan? Anybody who you wanna thank na part of your journey to the WIMO Gold?
Oh, Mateo.
Thanks to my parents for supporting me, for my math coaches in my math training programs. Thank you to Ma'am Ado, my math coach when I was in grade 1 who discovered my potential in math.
Wow.
Also Ma'am Susan. That's it.
Are your parents also good in curious lang ako. Ikaw, Mateo. Kamusta si Mami? Tsaka si Daddy?
Are they good in math?
I think my dad is good in math.
Your dad is good in math.
But do you go to him for help?
I know.
No?
Kasi malapit na ako maging useless kay Scarlett din.
Mahirap talaga.
Humihirap na eh.
Oo.
Ikaw,
Oh,
Alex.
yan, Alex.
Anybody you wanna thank?
I'd like to thank, of course, my parents. They've always supported me in going to these competitions. I'd also like to thank the mentors who have, showed me like the potential that I could give, and they're the ones who really pushed me towards this journey. And without them, I couldn't have been here. And of course, I want to thank the Lord.
Amen.
Amen. To God be the glory.
Exactly.
Harvey.
Yeah, so on behalf of my fellow champions, I would like to thank Motley Math Olympian Trainers League Incorporated and its president, Engineer Karen C. And to my personal trainer, Engineer Isaiah James Mading. Subscribe po kayo sa channel niya.
Wow.
Man, magaling po siya lagi siya mag-tour. Trust me.
Wow.
Then, to my parents po, Mama Sofia here sa studio po, and nasa abroad po, father ko, Dad Richard.
Is Mama Sofia good in mathematics?
I'll say like grade 6 level.
Grade 6 lang.
Ganun ka level. Like Mateo level.
Harvey, last na.
Totoo naman talaga eh, kapag ganyang level na, iba na, bring in the experts,
Diba?
diba?
Kailangan na ng advices from coaches ninyo, diba? Yung mga teachers ninyo. Pero any advice to students like you who also dreams to become like you and gusto rin nilang sumali sa mga ganyang competition, any advice na pwede nyo ibigay sa kanila?
So, one advice, be ready. Always be ready. Anticipate the questions, like, not only on your level, but do advanced study
Tama.
about your level. Yeah.
Great tip. Ikaw, Alexandra, anything you want our kids to know? The mga kada nating mga
Tips.
girls,
Piece of
students?
advice.
I think it's a bit cliche, but I've always followed it. It's don't give up. It's always gonna be hard. So life is very unfair. It's always gonna be unfair. So you should just keep pushing through. If it's something that you're passionate about, always keep pushing through. Even me, I used to actually be in last place. I used to cry about it, but it's all about in the passion and the drive. So
Correct.
don't give up.
Passion and
Galing.
drive. Don't give up.
Good
Okay.
words.
Mateo.
How about you, Mateo? Meron ka ba hininging reward pagkatapos mo? Wala.
Not really.
Ang bait naman itong mga batang to. Any piece of advice you want our kadas to know about?
I think it's like obvious, but like obviously prepare a lot. Do questions even though it's not like the question, just like just search like questions.
Parang yung sinabi ni
Find
Harvey.
questions on the internet. Yeah.
Oo.
Mateo's a bit
Anticipate.
shy.
Yeah. Thank you very much at congratulations sa inyo. Nabigyan ba kayo ng mga rewards ng mga schools ninyo? Were you able to take a few days off man lang? Or exempted from math class? Walang ganon? Walang ganon. Mabuti na yung do not expect.
Oo.
The award is reward.
Reward.
Enough. Yun.
Ang galing.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga kids ngayong umaga.
Oy, Pia, aside daw sa kanila, meron ding iba pa ng mga estudyante na nag-uwi ng 52 silver medals and 67 bronze medals. Baka marami pa tayong mga mahuhusay pa ng mga mag-aaral. Congratulations.
Yes, congratulations sa ating mga mathletes. Sana ay mas marami pa kayong ma-inspire na mga kids to go into science.
And innovation research.
Yes. At ngayon naman, padahan natin ang iba pa nating kada squad. O kayo mag-solve nito.
Ayan.
Meron pa kaming dalawang questions.
Bigay mo kay Emma.
Emma, find the value of... Hindi ko nga alam kung paano basahin to eh.
Oh,
Go